Good day, everyone. My name is Jivitra Nagalingam, metric card number 01DDT19F2065, and my group members are.
Hi, I'm Varshini Jagarajan and my metric number is 01DDT19F2051.
And I'm Nagashubhashini Sambasivan, and my metric card number is 01DDT19F2042.
Today, we are here to present about our lab activity on how to trace people search using the Scopio online tool. Before going further, let's know what Scopio online tool is. Scopio is an online people search tool providing real-time information about people. This tool helps with online footprinting and allows us to discover details about people. The scenario of our video is Nagasubhashini Sambasivan is an internship student who attend an internship program in SGV Multimedia Company. As a knowledgeable and experienced penetration tester in SGV Multimedia Company, Vasni Jagarajan and Jivitra Nagalingam are given responsible to give an effective training to Nagasubhashini Samasivan on how to explore on how to trace people search using the Scopio online tool. Let's move into the video. Good afternoon, Ms. Nagasubhashini. Welcome to SGV Multimedia Company. Hi, I'm Jivitra Nagalingam, Administrator Penetration Tester, and meet Ms. Varshini Vegarajan, one of the experienced penetration tester of SGV Multimedia Company.
Hi, Miss Nagasubhashini Sambasivan. I'm Varshini Jagarajan. Welcome to STV Multimedia Company. Nice to meet you. As you will find out, this is a great place to work and we are here to help you. Let us know if you need anything.
Well, first of all, congratulations, Nagasubhashini. Your skills and talents will be a great addition to our company. We are so excited to have you with us and look forward to work with you.
Good afternoon, madam. Nice to meet you both. I'm very excited to work with this company for my internship training.
Today, we are hired to give you training on how to trace people's search using the Scopio online tool. The main aim to explore Scopio online tool is for a penetration tester. It is always advisable to collect all possible information about a client before beginning the test. This exploring practice can make us to learn on how to use the Scopio online tool to collect confidential information of key persons in an organization. In this video, we demonstrate the footprinting technique to collect people information using people search services. So, Ms. Varshini Jagarajan, the knowledgeable penetration tester of SGV Multimedia Company, will show you a demo on how to explore Scopio online tool. Are you ready, Ms. Nagasubhashini?
Yeah, I'm very excited to know about this. It will be very useful for me on my work.
Okay, so then let's start. Okay, it's actually very easy. First of all, we need to go to Google Chrome, then search for www.spokio.com. It will direct us to this website, Spokio website. So you can search by name, entering name, email, phone, and address. So email, we can search by entering name, but if you wanna search by entering email or phone or address, it's reverse lookup, which will be seen after this. So first, I wanna enter a celebrity. My favorite celebrity is okay. So it's Will Smith. As I guess you all know who is it. So Will Smith. Then here we can see the results. So we search. It's searching. We have to be very patient while it search billion of records. So it's the location where it's searching for. It's searching for all of the locations from all of the location, and we have to wait. Okay, so um, yeah, we have all are the results from Will Smith this name. So now we can search by a particular location. So I'm going for Florida. Okay, because I like Florida, so we go for Florida. Okay, there are 11,774 people named Phil Smith found in Florida. Okay, so here also you also can search by entering a particular location, but it's okay. We will stop here. So here you'll see the results on this name, Will Smith. Okay, so you can choose one of the profile. So I'm gonna choose anyone. Okay, I go for this. Will Smith 30 resides in Venice, FL, Florida. So click see results. Okay, Will Smith, his name is Will Smith and his age is 29. It is blurred, the current address and the personal information, all the personal information are blurred because it is, I think it's premium, so we can see all the personal information without purchasing it. Okay, let's see it's whether it's premium. Yeah, we have to purchase it if you wanna go through all the personal details about this guy. So it's okay. Still, we can go through. Just go through. Here we can see all of the personal information like contacts, email, phone number, and everything. And here it is address history, which is location history, where he's been lived before and where he's been gone before, everything. And the addresses all we can search here, and then we can gone through here. Here is it. Here we can see. Okay, and then here, okay, here we can see the family members. Here we found 10 relatives for Will. It means this guy. So we found 10 relatives. Here we can see female Nancy Smith, which is who is relative to Will Smith. So age is 74, and Michael Smith and all of the relatives to Will Smith. And here we can see social profiles of Will Smith, this guy, like Facebook and any other, etc. And code records and personal information and wealth, where is household income and properties and etc. And work, employment history. We can discover here employment history of this guy, Will Smith, age 29. Okay, yeah, this is it. So we can, as I said earlier, we can search a reverse lookup. Okay, so I'm gonna show you how. So first of all, I'm gonna search for my favorite wrestler in WWE, John Cena. So I'm gonna search for WWE. I'm sorry, John Cena contact number. Okay, okay, I don't know whether it's him. It's his personal phone number, but it's the given phone number, contact number in the Google. So we copy this and then go here. You have to switch it for phone, or else it will not detect. So we have for paste and then search now. We have to search. It's searching from all over the location. So we have to be very patient. Okay, my search is completed. So results are ready. As you say, latest report as of 6 May of 2021, and we can see all the personal information of these numbers, these contact numbers on it. But for now, we cannot see or go through to these numbers, phone numbers honor because it's in premium, so we have to purchase it. But for now, for you, you don't have to. We don't have to purchase it. It's not necessary here because we just go through this website how to use it and what features we all can see and everything. So actually, it's the price is actually worth it because we can go through all the. I mean, we can go through our celebrities, phone number, address. We can like what? You can search for anyone in the all over the world. So okay, it's worth it. So it's worth it. Yeah, that's it. Okay. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Is there any question, Miss Nagasubhashini, about Spokane Online Tool Exploration? You can ask if you have any question regarding this to Miss Jivitra.
Thank you, Miss Varshini Jagarajan. Yeah, I have some questions for clarification regarding Spokio online tool. First, how do you collect all the contact details of key people using Scopio?
To conduct a search, simple visit to the Scopio homepage. Enter your query into the main search bar and hit search. Scopio supports 5 types of searches. You can search by name, by phone number, by email addresses, by social media username, and by addresses. Let me explain it more detail. The search bar automatically detects the type of search enter and display all available results once the search is complete. To conduct a name search, enter a first name and last name. Name searches typically provide contact information, social media profiles, and general details on the person you search. To conduct a phone search, type in the full 10-digit number. Phone searches provide ownership details, including the name of the phone owner, the location of the phone is registered to, the carrier information. To conduct an email search, enter the full email addresses. Email searches both provide the names of the individual that have used these email addresses as well as any social media profile registered with that email address. For username search, you can either enter a known online handle or try simple removing everything following the ad on someone's email address. Searches have the same function as email addresses but can undercover social media profiles that may not be registered under the same email address but use the same online handle. To conduct an address search, supply the full street address including cities, state, and zip code. Addresses searches can provide ownership information, data on current trends if no owner occupied, value estimated, and other neighborhood information.
Oh, that's interesting. After that, is it possible to remove your residential listing?
Yes, it is possible.
How this happen?
Go to Spokes OPT out page in a new browser, Windows or tab. Scroll down and fill out the following in the specified fields. Paste the URL of your listing by click paste from the right click menu. Enter your email address. Scopio will send a confirmation email to the address, which contains a link you must click to confirm the removal of the listing. Enter the CAPTCHA code, then click Remove this listing. You will receive the message. Please check your email for further instruction. Go to the email address you provided and open the email for Scopio. Click here to confirm the removal. You are done. Your information will be removed from Spokio.com shortly. Sometimes it comes down immediately, but it can take up to 24 hours.
Wow, that is good. Basically, this is a safe and secure tool because it asking for captcha code to make sure there is no robot control attack. Then, how can you perform a reverse search using Spokio?
You can perform a reverse search Scopio by step 1, enter a phone number. When you see the search area at the top of the Scopio reverse phone lookup website, just enter a phone number and then just click search. You can look up a random phone number that keeps calling you a mysterious number appearing on your phone bill, or the old number of long lost relative. It is type of a phone number lookup that will find actual information about the person you are interested in quickly. Stop wondering whose number is that. Find out the truth. Step 2. Look up the number's owner. Once you use a reverse phone lookup, the number of the number owner will show at the top of the list of the search result. If available, you will be able to see the person's address, the name of their relative, the city he or she lives in, and a locator focus on the area in which the phone originated. They can check out the result.
This tool is really amazing and has many features to gain more knowledge. Uh, After that, list the kind of information that the reverse phone search and email search will yield.
The list of kind information that reverse phone search with a membership can yield is first and last name of the phone owner, address that the phone is registered to, age of the owner, phone carrier. But you can see a reverse email search or username search with a membership can yield is public profiles on social networks such as Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram, profile public profiles or dating site like Match or OkCupid, public photos on networks such as Flickr and Photobucket, windows from sites like YouTube or Vimeo, reviews of product on shopping sites such as Amazon or eBay, blog entries on sites such as Blogger and LiveJournal. That's all. Is there any question, Ms. Nagasubhashini?
No, I'm very clear on how to trace people search using the Spokio online tool. Thank you so much for the help, the guide.
You are welcome.
We hope this tool will be more benefit for you in use for future upcoming. Thank you.